Fish on.
Got the longtail Jon Boat out for the first time this season, early summer of 2025. I did do some upgrades over the winter. I'll link those here and at the end of this video if you want to take a look at that. But added a new handle and a platform to the back. So we'll get the bugs out today and see if we can catch some fish. Yes, yes.
Okay, yowza. There we go. Now that was pounds. Luckily he's in the boat. Well, there we go. It's not a bad one right there. That's pretty nice. So let's put you back in the water. All right, here we go. Nice. Pretty nice. Tell you, in this murky water, these kind of hunter orange chartreuse number 3 Mepps work really well. Well, really well. I've caught a few bass on them.
If you've got a Minkata electric motor, this remote is really fantastic. It replaces the pedal and it's just much more convenient. You can wear it around your neck and you can move around rocks, or helps, like in this case, with docking. It was just a fantastic addition to your fishing boat. Make sure you get the right remote. Make sure the serial numbers match up. I do have a link, and that is a general remote for most Minkatas, but make sure it matches your boat. We had a great run for the first time this year for the Jon Boat. If you want to take a look at the videos for the upgrades that we did on the platform and the handle, take a look right here. But other than that, we'll see you in the next video.